This video shows the drag and drop pin reverse geocoding flow. First, we go to the Contacts tab and open any contact form. Now we type an address in the Google location input field. After typing, Google suggested addresses are displayed. We select one suggested address from the list. After selecting the address, as you can see, the address fields are automatically filled and the map preview is displayed with a pin marker on the selected location. Now suppose the pin location is not exactly correct. For example, Google places the pin on the front road, but the actual delivery entry is at the back side of the building. So we drag the pin marker on the map and drop it on the correct location. After dropping the pin, the system automatically updates the latitude and longitude fields based on the new pin position. So with this feature, users can manually adjust the map pin to the exact customer entrance, delivery dock, or gate location, and Odoo saves the exact GPS coordinates for accurate routing.